first graders. Okay, so we've been talking about the life cycle of seeds and plants and been watching our plants grow. And so today we are going to start talking about some other life cycles, and we'll do a couple of these next week as well. So in your packet, and they're probably toward the back of your packet, there are 3 different stapled packets of life cycle pages. Okay, and I want you to find the one about butterflies. That's the one that we are going to start with, okay? And we're going to do it together because we would be doing it together in class. So I'm actually going to move over to this corner for now, okay? And we are going to read and learn about butterflies, okay? So here at the bottom of the page, we have a word bank. And it looks like we have 12 words here that we are going to use in this paragraph about butterflies. And we'll need to find the right place for them to go. Okay? Pupa, larvae, butterfly, life cycle, insect, stages, eggs, skin, fly, hungry, molt, and nectar. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out where each of those words belong. Okay, so butterflies are an blank. Okay, I see the word "an" here. It doesn't say it says "an," which gives me a clue that the missing word begins with a vowel. And here in my list, I see 2 words beginning with a vowel. I see an I, insect, E, eggs. Our butterflies are an eggs. Does that make sense? Butterflies are an insect. It's insect. So let's write that in here. And we can cross it off when we've used it. Butterflies are an insect that come in lots of different colors. They have a complete life cycle that has 4 blank. Okay. What word do you think we would be talking about? 4 blank. Well, we're talking 4. That's more than 1, so it's going to be plural. And I see 2 plural words. I see stages and eggs. They have a complete life cycle that has 4 eggs. Will one butterfly have 4 eggs to be part of its life cycle? Probably not for that one butterfly. It's only going to come from 1 egg, right? How about they have a complete life cycle that has 4 stages? Okay, that makes sense. So we're going to use stages here. 4 stages. Butterflies hatch from what is it here? This is where our eggs goes. Butterflies hatch from eggs. Okay, when they come out of the egg, they are called blank. What are they called? Do we know what it is called when it comes out from an egg? We might remember that we actually saw this before when we were reading about the very hungry caterpillar. Okay? They are a larva. So, they're called larvae. And they are very what? I just said it. They are very hungry. Okay, just like in our book. As they grow, they blank, which means they shed their blank. What word means to shed something? We have pupa, fly, butterfly, molt, life cycle, skin, and nectar. Okay, molt is the word we're looking for here. To molt means they shed what? What thing do you think they shed here? Pupa, fly, butterfly, life cycle, skin, or nectar? They shed their skin. Okay? To change into a butterfly, the caterpillar becomes a blank. What's next? It becomes a pupa. Okay. When it goes into the chrysalis or the cocoon, that is the pupa stage. Okay. When the new blank emerges, okay, when it comes out of the pupa stage, what is it now? It's going to be the butterfly. When the new butterfly emerges, its wings are wrinkled and wet. It takes a few hours before they can blink. Okay, it's talking about its wings here, and then something it can do. What can something do that has wings? If you had wings, what would you be able to do? Fly. Perfect. So they have to let the wings dry before they can fly. Butterflies drink blank from flowers. Which comes from flowers? Life cycle? Skin? Oh, we did skin already. Life cycle or nectar? Which comes from flowers? The nectar. Okay. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers. It is the adult butterfly's job to lay eggs so that the blank blank can start over again. And what do we have left? The life cycle. Okay, so there we go. And you can practice reading this as part of your reading time. Now you have the next few pages you can do on your own. So to return to school, you'll need to return this front page to school. A little paragraph about butterflies. Make sure your name's on it. And you'll want to complete this page. Okay? See if you can figure out which order these pictures need to go on here. Okay? And once you have those 2 pages done and put back in your packet to turn in, then the other pages are for you, just for fun. Okay, you can learn about the different parts of the butterfly. And this one is fun. Okay, on this you color one side of the butterfly first, just half of it, and then you see if you can create it just the same on the other half. Okay, so you want it to be a mirror image on each side. Okay, and then you can draw a chart about the butterfly life cycle. And then there's just a fun coloring page with the butterfly. Okay, so those pages can stay at home. Only the front page and the cut and paste page, those 2 come back to school. Okay, have fun with that, and we'll talk about more life cycles later.